Hi guys, Will, just in time prepping. How you guys doing this evening? Hey, being kind of a tag, it's a community tag. What 10 people would you take with you if shit were to hit the fan? I got my list. You guys ready? I'm gonna do mine backwards from them. I'm gonna start at 10 and then work my way up to the first one. So here we go. Number 10 would be Dash Out, because he thinks outside the box, can figure stuff out pretty good. So Dash Out, you're in my group to go SHTF with. At 9, I have Walker Outdoors, because he can fix anything. He's pretty mechanical minded. He's gone to school for diesel and regular. So I would want him with me so he could help out fixing stuff up, getting things running and keeping them running. Next one I would have is Keith Cronk. I'd have Keith because he's my bodyguard. He watches me here on YouTube, so I would just take him along so that he could help me out in SHTF. I'm losing focus here. I'm not sure why that is. Could be the light, I guess. Or maybe I'm too close. But anyway, next one would be, I would take Chris McBee with me. And that is because everyone needs a sniper. He is a dead shot. Does it for a living. Can take guns apart, put them back together. And he's a pretty fair shot. So I would take him so he could be the sniper. The next one would be Huplescat, Prepping and Outdoors. I would take him because he has it all pretty well going about the water, that we need water to keep living. So he would be my water purification guy. So I would take him with me, make sure that we're drinking purified water, or take care of any water situation that comes up. Number 5, Jeep Things Outdoors. Jeep Things Outdoors, the one that got this tag started, he said he doesn't think anybody's been doing it on YouTube, so that is who I would pick, and it's because he knows all about Jeeps and 4x4s, and he could keep anything running for us, so Johnny, you're the man. Next one is Jerry's Workshop and Outdoors. Because Jerry is an electrician type of guy. He knows electricity inside and out. So in case you guys haven't noticed, I'm picking people that have criteria that I would need and make sure that the group survived. So the next one after Jerry is Grayman Outdoors. Grayman Outdoors, he's a good scout, I would say. He goes out in the woods all the time and he tests himself on it. Surviving out there, so I would trust he would take care of the group by making sure we're always going in the right direction. The next one would be number 2. Number 2 is a great community guy and just knows a lot about prepping altogether, but you know what he knows most about is security. So if you guys haven't guessed, that would be Fingerslake Prepper. He would go because he would be my security guy. He would be picking out or bringing his own folks along that would keep you secure. Put out the watches, things like that. Number 1 spot, SOS, Step 1 Survival. I kind of call him my mentor. If you guys have listened to me in previous videos, he kind of got me going in the direction I'm going at right now. He is very knowledgeable about all things: canning, guns, archery, knives. He does leather work. He does he does a lot, and he's a very knowledgeable guy. So he would be the number 1 guy that I would take, because between him and Fingerslake Prepper, the rest of us would be feeling much more at home. So that's the 10 people I would take with me in case of a shit hits the fan scenario and the grid goes down, and we need some folks to go with us. And if you noticed, as I mentioned, everybody that I picked in the group, they all had a specific part of them that would be good for the whole group. So there it is, Johnny. I hope that you get to see this VR, and I hope that you see the direction I went in. And I hope everybody that I mentioned here goes out and does a VR of their own and kind of keep this rolling down the line. So it's a kind of a short video, but you know, it was fun to do and made me think a little. And I expect you guys to do the same thing. Johnny put this out here for the whole YouTube community to try to figure out. So that's it. You guys know I can't do any of it without you. Because without you guys, I can't be out here making videos. So it's God bless you, God bless me, and most of all, God bless the US of A. Till next time, I'll see you out there on the tube. Thanks.